our previous lesson, we saw that solids consist of small atoms that are vibrating. Now, what about gases? We have a helium-filled balloon in our lab. Certainly, you've seen balloons like it at birthday parties. Let's look inside. Ready to dive? We have to zoom in 1,000,000,000 times to see the individual atoms. You can see that helium gas is made of small helium atoms, but these atoms are much further apart than the ones we saw in a diamond. In real life, the atoms don't stay still. Remember, in solids, they vibrate. Let's switch time on and see what happens in a gas. Ready, steady, go. They're flying. This gas is at normal room temperature, but what will happen if we increase the temperature? Let's heat the gas to 1,000 kelvins. You see, our atoms are flying much faster. Actually, such random atom movement is what we call temperature. The faster atoms fly or vibrate, the higher the temperature will be. Take a few moments and fly around inside. You're now as small as an atom. The next time you're at a birthday party and you see a helium balloon, you can tell your friends that you flew inside the same kind of balloon and saw these tiny atoms. Remember that in the previous lesson, you saw that in solids, the atoms are close together. However, in gases, there is plenty of space between atoms. That's why gases are much lighter than solids. There are far fewer atoms in the same volume. Try to estimate how many more atoms of a solid are in the same space as compared to this gas. There are about 1,000 times more atoms in the same space in solids compared to gases. That's why gases are, on average, about 1,000 times lighter than solids. Let's go back to our laboratory. Now we have a trick question for you. Are there things that do not consist of atoms? Not everything consists of atoms. Light, for example, consists of photons, which are different kinds of particles with different properties.